I wanna cook this fast kasi, invite ako sa isang LS na mag-practice kumanta. Joke lang. Okay, let's do this. Yan, Karodis, can you see? Lapit natin. Yan. I need this plastic for the basura. Yan, itong onions na ito, galing din sa mga uncle sa Ilocos. Yes, pag bibisita sila dito sa Baguio, if they visit us here in Baguio, when we visit Ilocos, they always give us stuff to bring home here in Baguio. Yan. So, chicken na fritada ang ulam natin today. Hanggang dinner na yan, promise. Naku, masyadong malaking pinaglagyan ko. Lipat natin. Wait lang, ha? Sige, connect with each other muna. Bro Ata, good morning. Who else have we got? Nako, roadkill. Hey, much love. Wait, please, let me give you moderator. Okay, you don't have standard moderator. You can connect with each other. Sa nakapin, Karodis. Okay? Dito, wala pang half day. Namamasa na ang pagkain. O, diba? Pati sa Manila, pag nandun ako, bilis yung food. Kaya dapat maihabol mo sa ref. Teka, paharang muna ako, ma'am host. Tsaka natin tusukin at balikan ang nakapin. Sige. Yan, connect with each other. Tawang-tawa daw si Pretty Mel. Good morning to host. Yan, minsan mainit, nagpa-fun nga kami. Ata, my video, share please. You guys connect with each other. Go. You know the drill. Okay, we start with what we're gonna use first. And as you know, bibilisan ko, promise ha. Hindi ko muna kayo mababasa. I can't read your messages, so yeah, I'm just gonna check if somebody's got gray names there. So that Nightbot doesn't kick you. And I hope you can hear me. And how's your Saturday, everyone? Do you have any special plans for the weekend? Yeah. Besides, doing the regular chores like cleaning, cooking, doing the dishes, doing the laundry. But that's the regular weekend schedule we got. Anong plano nyo ngayong weekend? Matulog buong araw? Kumanta buong LS? Yung comments vlog, parking po ito, Ma'am Rodis. And yes, thank you, Kabsat. Uy, ano meron today? Kabsat Stella family. May luto na mabilis. Yung Clodan. Sarah Cola says, we can hear you loud and clear. Thank you. Right. Medyo may sakit pa ako ha, kaya pagpasensyahan nyo. Isa pang onion. Gusto ko talaga maraming onion. Yan. From Ilocos to. Yan. Megalaw sarat sa ating mga kakabsat na Ilocano, na imbag nga. Nagsapa kada kayo. Well, almost aldawan nga, Nagsapa pa'y latta. Hanpay mat nag-alas 12 niya. So, there. Sa mga bagong gising, good morning. Grab yourself a cup of coffee. Make yourselves comfy. Yan. Pag may suggestion kayo kung anong gagawin ko sa lutong ito, ay sige. Diba kanya-kanyang variation? Kasi may halo ko dito sa fritada na hindi normally hinahalo ng mga, people when they cook it. So, there. So, I always put ginger when I use fish or when I cook fish and chicken. Kung walang lemongrass or tanglad, good enough na ito. Yan. Ganyan kalaki kasi ako malansa. Tanggalin natin yung medyo dry na part. And you know how I do it, Karodis? Hindi ko pinipit-pit ang luya. Promise. Hindi siya ganun ka-effective pag pinipit mo. What I do is, this, my handy-dandy grater. This is what I use, yung mas maliit. Okay? Pinagrate ko lang siya. Excuse me. Ay, ang aking sniffles. I'm really sorry. And just grate it because I have tested and proven na pag grated ang ginger, mas effective siya magtanggal ng lansa ng chicken tsaka ng fish. Tapos, mas makakain mo pa siya. Kasi pag hiniwa-hiwa mo ng manipis na pahaba, di ba? Or pag pinitik mo lang, ganyan, tatanggalin mo rin. Itatabi mo rin sa gilid ng plate mo. In most cases, right? So, mas maganda talaga na grate. Wait lang ha. Basta mag-iingat lang habang nagga-grate para hindi pati yung skin ng fingers